Dear Diary, a neo-noir day unfolded aboard the spacecraft as Jason and I submerged into the cybernetic realm of Europa's subsurface ocean. Neon blue currents pulsated in the depths below, casting eerie shadows upon the frosted underwater metropolis. Our vessel, cutting-edge and sleek, navigated the labyrinthine ice tunnels, its electric thrusters humming in perfect harmony with the sounds of the abyss. The omnipresent rhythm of the cosmic flux echoed in our thoughts as we searched for signs of life in this alien landscape. Our journey took us through submerged ice data centers, glowing fiber optic networks intertwining with the organic structures of Europa's oceanic underbelly. The fusion of technology and nature here blurred the boundaries between the organic and the synthetic, offering tantalizing hints of life hidden in the depths. Every twist, every turn led us deeper into the cyberpunk-inspired cradle of potentiality, where the future whispered its secrets, promising revelations that could redefine the course of humanity. Until tomorrow, Diary. Samantha. Dear Diary, I found myself immersed in a dreamlike trance today, floating through the ethereal atmosphere of Europa. As vibrant neon hues swirled around my spacecraft, I felt an intense sense of calm that reminded me of the nostalgic days of van life spent along the beach. The icy moon's enigmatic ocean stretched out like a limitless canvas, calling me to explore its hidden depths. Soothing, synth-infused melodies resonated throughout the spacecraft, punctuated by rhythmic lunar winds playing their celestial tune. I drifted weightlessly around the cabin, captivated by the interplay of glistening visuals and layered sounds projected all around me, as if painted with a vaporwave brush. My connection to Europa deepened, discovering a space that invoked the same emotions and tranquility as my cherished memories by the sea. In the stillness of the Jupiter system, I felt united with the mysteries of the universe, longing to unveil their secrets. Until tomorrow, Diary, Jason.